everybody, it's me, Lemon Bread, back again with another video. And yes, I have kittens now. Cola, Pepsi. Yeah, the name is Cola and Pepsi. This one's Cola. Good boy. And that one's Pepsi. And you can tell which one because there's a big patch of fur missing there. But I really like the kittens. They are so cute, aren't they? And this is their bed. Wow, not really bed. Yeah, bed. And then we have a big toy here. Jesus God, Xander. No. But yeah, I think they've gotten used to Willow, they're just not used to Xander yet. But we have a little toy for them, they can just climb this. We have a little toy here where they'll chase this. Wait, watch this. Colour? You want it? See? And it's hard for me because I'm holding the camera with my right hand and holding the toy with my left hand. Oi, can I have it? Can I have it? Yeah, but I just really like the kittens. Like the kittens, Finny? Yeah. What are you watching? Onyx Kids? Oh my god! They sometimes play tag, like they are doing now. And they always hide under the sofa. The first day we got them on Saturday. Not this last Saturday, like a few Saturdays ago. Whoa! Now they're not allowed to have this. And there's a bunch of Nerf bullets here. I've just come back from school. And we have Monster Munch. Monster Munch, not Munch, you Munch. And I'm gonna have some. But yeah, the kittens are amazing. See? See? I think they're playing tag. My arm's getting tired, jeez. They sometimes play with the Nerf bullets.
Too long a clip, dear.
No, I'm only allowed 15 minutes. And so, like, some of my videos are like 13 minutes long.
Yeah, that's too long, really. You get bored then, don't it?
That is it for this video, guys. Like, if you did, leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you later next time. Bye!